and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today we're talking about why am I wearing a mask? A few years ago, I practiced Pyrokinesis, and accidentally I did it inside, and I accidentally burned an object, and my house started burning, and I burned my face. It was a terrible accident, and now I have scar tissue all over my face. About 10 years ago, I did telekinesis in my home country. And you know how they say you can make $1 million when you go to the government to prove real telekinesis? Well, me and my friend, we went there and we tried to prove telekinesis to them. What happened is that they wouldn't let us go anymore. I still don't know where my friend is. I managed to escape. That is why I would never recommend to anyone to do that. That is why I'm teaching telekinesis online wearing a mask so nobody knows where I am. I don't have a phone. That's why I never can go live, because when they catch me, it's over. Whenever I stop uploading videos, that probably means that they caught me. I need to keep my family safe, my son safe. I don't want to endanger anyone. That's why I have to wear a mask. I hope you understand. Me making videos for you, I'm taking a big risk. That is why I don't like to do telekinesis in public. Yes, I did it here and there, but I don't like to do that. Nobody can know where I live. And everybody who tries to find out endangers me. I want to be safe, but I also want you to learn telekinesis. Because the more people know how to do telekinesis, the safer I'm gonna be. Because if we normalize telekinesis, if it's normal, I don't have to hide anymore. That's why I'm making those videos. To help you help me. I hope that makes sense. And no, I can't reveal my face yet. But one day, if enough people know how to do telekinesis, then I can reveal my face. If you really want to know. So I can't tell you where I live. I can't tell you where I used to live. But I can tell you that much. The government from the country where I used to live still tries to find me. So I had to leave my country. I live somewhere else now. So that is why I'm wearing a mask, and I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn telekinesis, just watch my other videos. I'm sorry that this one was not a tutorial, but I had to explain myself. Thank you so much, and have a great day.